It's really important to hold an event looking into the future and to do some blue sky thinking with chief executives and rising stars through local government and some of our Solace Springboard members to think through what the economic, political, environmental uncertainty holds for the future of not just the country, but for local government itself. What I found absolutely fascinating from the discussion is some of the mega trends that are coming through, right away from changing populations and what this means for not just for the wider country, but for local government itself, the changing workforce and workforce patterns, and again what that means for how we not just set up services but deliver them for our communities, but also getting more into the detail as well around what the digital agenda and digital inclusion and how we can do that in a way that sort of addresses inequalities.